everyone, we are live on Balance Bombshells TV. I'm thinking we need to make that a thing. So today I'm going to teach you how to make my superfood cacao latte. I have rarely met a woman yet who doesn't love chocolate. And why not wake up every single morning to sip on some chocolatey goodness that also benefits your body? I mean, this girl right here loves to do that. So I'm going to teach you how to make it so you can also reap the benefits at home. So if you know anything about cacao, it is a really great source of natural magnesium, which all women need to be able to boost that calming mineral within our bodies. So because we menstruate, because we get stressed out in our daily lives, our body tries to protect us and flush out that magnesium that we need to promote a sense of calm and well-being. So thankfully, cacao provides that for us. So to be able to sip on this either in the morning or any other time that you need some sort of boost in your life is a great way to naturally provide that for your body. So I'm going to teach you exactly step by step how I make this latte every single morning. So you can either grab a non-dairy nut milk for if you want like a milk-based latte, or I also more often than not make this out of just plain water. It tastes so good either way. So what I'm going to do is turn on the oven. So if you heat the saucepan on about medium heat, and then if you grab your cute mug, so I'm using my Hello Gorgeous one because I love it when they talk to me. My mugs are my like kitchen utensils. And then it also says you look lovely on it. So as you're sipping, like you're just kind of boosting your feel-good vibes for the day. So I measure out the water in my mug just so I know exactly how much that I need. And then I pour it into the saucepan. Like so. And then next up, I grab this cacao elixir, which is this chocolate superfood blend. And in it is cacao, maca, ashwagandha, which actually helps lower your body's stress response. So it keeps your stress hormones in check. Maca is really great for hormone balancing, and then it also has chaga, which is a medicinal mushroom that boosts mental cognition. So it's really great if you are studying or if you have a project at work or you just need that extra boost in the morning to be able to get your brain to wake up. Chaga is excellent for that. And then it has chlorella and spirulina and hemp protein. So this is my go-to, and it's just so easy because like when you're busy, you really don't want like all of those, like all these powders separately where you have to like, you know, portion it out and mix it in. Like this is a busy girl's like easy way to do it. So the serving size is a tablespoon. I usually use about 2 teaspoons. I notice I get the same amount of taste and then I don't have to use the entire thing so quickly. But you can get this on Amazon if you want. We're going to put 2 in here, and then, you know, if you want it on Amazon, they ship it directly to your house. I mean, I like rarely shop in stores anymore because I just want everything delivered to my house, because when you have so much stuff going on throughout the day, you want to make all these little things in your life that much easier. So depending on if I am drinking this before a workout or depending on what I'm doing throughout my day, I also sometimes add a little bit of cordyceps powder. And so this is another mushroom powder that also helps build endurance and stamina. And so this is from the company OWN, and I found this on Amazon or maybe even Whole Foods when I was shopping around. But it's really great for, you know, any sort of endurance workout that you're doing or any sort of hard-hitting workout. So instead of caffeine or a cup of coffee, you can be reaching for this stuff, and it is just, I obviously don't like drink it on its own, but it's a really great thing to add to boost your smoothies or, you know, this latte. And so I usually use maybe like 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then you can kind of just mix it with your whisk to get all of the powder mixed in. And then to balance your blood sugar, I always add cinnamon to just about like everything that I make because it is really great for keeping your blood sugar in check. So we add a little of that in there. And then because every Balance Bombshell needs clear skin, a beautiful glowing complexion, I dropped my stevia. Hold on. And so to be able to really boost the collagen within your body, to be able to produce supple skin and to improve the elasticity of your skin, I use this collagen replenish powder, and it's from Verge Nutrition. I should probably get that name right. But I add a little bit of this into the latte, so then not only am I getting the boost to my brain, but I'm also I'm like literally sipping my way to clear skin. So add a little of that in there. And then to sweeten it, because a girl, you know, you gotta love having sweet things in your life. And so I add literally, you know, I take like a packet of stevia and I add just a little bit in it to sweeten it a little bit more. And that's literally all that you need to be able to make this latte taste really good and give yourself the body benefits that you need. And so you then mix it together until it's well blended. And then it usually heats up within about like 2 to 3 minutes, and I don't ever bring it to a boil. I get it to just, you know, if you want to test it, you can put your finger in the pot to see like how hot it is. But then once it's done, you can pour it directly into your mug, like so, and then obviously make sure you turn the oven off. I feel like sometimes with these tutorials, no one tells us to remind us to turn the oven off, because let's be real, sometimes a girl forgets. We don't want that. And then you have this beautiful cacao latte that you can sip in the morning and do whatever you need to do about your day, like before a workout, strategizing for everything. And so I hope that you will try this at home, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, ladies.